Morning, everyone. Basically, what is going on right now? So we are heading towards the Taj Hospital. I have to take the bike. I have to drop my mommy on her bike. A lot of work is there, and yeah, we have just analyzed the currencies. Not even half. It's just like a 30% or 35%. The rest is still remaining. Brother, we should not be doing this. We should be already this thing should be get analyzed by Saturday or Sunday, not on Monday. So that is somewhat like not a good thing. I have learned this. I'm going to implement this. So yeah, I am waiting. I'm waiting for like 10:30. After 10:30, the pre-London is going to get started, and under pre-London, we're going to look for our setups. And once the setups is done, we'll be taking the trades, and I will update every single thing. So signing off. Oh yeah, everything goes on the point. Everything what we want, we will be ending up $1,600, which is almost equal to 1 lakh. That is how we are going to achieve our goal. There, that is a bus. I hope I can track far. This bus just scared me off. 61, what is this? 61, fuck. So yeah, I drop her and now we are heading home. Man, I can see the setup is actually doing the thing what I want. I said that I want 15 minute, 30 minute bullish on that particular currency. I just, maybe that's, fuck, I just don't remember the currency name. But like 15-20 minutes before I have saw that it is doing the things what I want, but it has gone a bit far from the area of interest which we are looking for to buy. We'll see what happens, what not after going home. Signing off. I'm with my bullshit bike. Literally, this bike is like bullshit, but it is a bike. I'm literally going to save this bike whenever I broke my trading plan. Instead of driving Ferrari, instead of driving Lamborghini, I'm going to drive this motherfucking shit. But it's a beautiful bike, but it's very tough bike to drive. Stay tuned. Yo brother, we reach home. I can see the price action is happening now. The market is open. But there's a con that a lot of buyers are going to buy and market is going to go down. Why? There is a reason I have shared in the video. After it going down, and then the 4 hours is going to get bullish. And then it is going to go up and that time you are going to fucking buy. Okay. काय कळालं कोणाची बोलते का मी का माझा मित्र आहे बघ बघ हाय कर त्याला I have to there is a lot of big reason why. Let's just sit here. Let's just take this seat here. Oh my. So see this कितना मस्त दिख रहा है ना. It is not that must, but it is what it. This is like a concrete jungle. This is concrete jungle without colors. मैं 4th फ्लोर के ऊपर आ गया भाई. दम लगता है. So why I came on terrace, there is a big reason why, because now I given the keys and I have given the keys to the dad, and that now I don't have key the lock. Now great place, the keys is there. Great place, also don't have key. So I gonna have to wait for like hour or minimum of that to get my key. I can't say every single thing, but it is what it is. Signing off. Enjoy. What the fuck is this? What are we going to? Now I have charged my less. Now I have battery like 79%. Let's analyze the currency. Share the screen. Chat. I literally talk like for 10 seconds and this Truecaller just pop up that notification and the camera got off. So yeah, we are heading down. We have to head down, and the look is good. To this view. Ooh, brother, look at that. Oh, you can see the train. I spotted a train. See that? Oh my god, the camera is so worse. Like I don't even want to see. Why they give this much zoom if they can't be clear? See that line? That line is of train. That is so zoom. So yeah. Why to give 10x if that will be not clear? Like why? This is your product. I don't think about it. So let's go down, go down, and let's do the analysis. So we are back again. Let's do the analysis. There's a lot big happened. You wouldn't believe what just happened. I literally was recording this and I was doing this and doing that. I was analyzing for like almost hours. I did that. Instantly phone was almost 9%. Instantly phone got so hot. It just shut down. Instantly shut down. And and the shutdown happens because of it was hot. Second thing was it was just because of the battery just blanks off. So after it shut down, I put this phone on fridge and then I tried to turn on. Won't happen. Then I waited for light. Light was also not there. So I waited for light to come like after 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Light came. Now I have recorded the screen again. Even every single currency which I'm looking for. Now, just wait and watch. Signing off, brother. Now it's time to do the shower. As a lot of to do. Then we have to practice as well. And so I got ready. Whenever I wear this shirt, I feel like I feel like a bodybuilder. Look at this. Yeah. Like really, if I just do this, but it is what it is. Now it feel like a bodybuilder. Now do the lunch. I'm 14:09. Almost half day has already. When our target was to do the trading, back testing, and practice, till now it haven't happened because I was doing the what it is analysis of this market. We are going. Pretty much it is what it is. Let's do the lunch and let's straightforward say for the practice. So there. Oh my god. Yeah, light once again is gone. My battery is 45%. Now I am going to start doing the trading practice, back testing. But right now I do man. So let's start the back testing. Signing off. Pratik, you wanna see Pratik? हो अंदर झालं लईच दिसणार नाही झाला का उजेड होय होय असं उजेड झालं हो मस्त दिसतं बरं काय असं what is up we are back on a terrace looks like that we are having a sunset here that's how it looks like so basically let's go on the screen back the fingers here by watching this hold on I really don't have any idea about this music it just played randomly so I'm right now watching the sunset should I take Pratik here Pratik as well doing Japanese work.
Japanese war नाही.
Japanese
360 बघतोय मी.
हां?
समजत नाही राव.
360 बघताय का?
360
चालू दे. जेवा. So I'm actually doing this. Rada. I'm actually doing this back testing. So I have entered in this trade. Let's see it is going to go into profit or not.
We are back on a test.
So I will just play this. This is not a real price action. This is a real price action, but this is like a price action of a 2023. So let's see, are we going to get profit? Fuck, we did. We fucking did. We are locking one is to do. This is how basically I'm doing the practice.
100 is it?
I have to. The sunset is about to happen. I will just open in pop-up view because if I close this will reset like anything. So let's see where are we in this move. Like let's say here. The beautiful sunset is happening, brother. Look at that. Just look at that. We just have like 2 minutes more, not more than that. Within 2 minutes, that sun will just get down. We are still in the retracement process. Or GBY. We are still in the retracement process. Let me just delete every single thing so that I will be understanding if we create the week or not. Hello? Oh, dila. So I will just delete every single thing. And we are still in the process of retracement. GBP USD. This is creating the doji candle the way we want. Euro USD I'm just don't want to miss this sunset man. We have missed this. We have predicted this move but we have missed this move because we can't just take the trade based on this, but Euro USD is going to. So basically I am just waiting for this to happen. Odd CAD, we are in a retracement process, brother. I just don't want to miss that. This is also in a retracement process. GBP odd still on a retracement process. Euro odd retracement process. NZD JPY. So yeah, pretty much this is it. No trade up till now. I will update as soon as possible. We do right now. I'm actually looking forward to watch that sunset. Once I watch the sunset, then I can do the things which I wanted to do. That is backtesting. I came out on test because the network was not working on the in the home. So now we are actually having the sunset right now. Plus the light has gone. Plus what the fuck light is going like anything? I don't know. So let's just see. Here is a bird. Oh my god. Can I shoot it? Yeah.